Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you on how to live chat PayPal support. We'll go one-on-one. So the first thing that you will do is get to PayPal dashboard. Once you get to PayPal dashboard, you will see this button that tells you notification. Then we'll go to our inbox. Once we go to our inbox, we'll go to view messages. Once you get to our view messages, this is the platform. This platform is called Message Center. So once you get to message center, we'll be able to click the new message. Once we click a new message at this platform, as we can see, the three dots are the three dots. Here you will be able to live chat PayPal support, but it depends. For PayPal customer support, you need to for PayPal support, you need to talk with them on the operating working hours from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time, United Kingdom. So it depends with your timelines, so that you will be able to adhere to Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on their Central Time. So once you come here you will be able to live chat. So if it is their working hours, you will get a customer agent who will be able to respond you to live chat you. But in case it is not on the working hours, once you leave a message here, they will still get back to you, but not live. So tutorial was on how to live chat PayPal. So the first thing they tell me, hey, I'm asking a PayPal assistant, just ask me a question and I'll try to answer. If I can't, then I will try to transfer you to a customer agent. So we'll ask the question. The question for today, we'll ask in, hello, does my PayPal account has any limit or temporary? May it be temporary or permanent? So we'll send it the message. We can see the three dots. Once you send them that way, this is automated system, but I'll take you how to get to live chat the customer support agent. So it is asking me, are you contacting about account limitation? Yes, I'm asking about that. It tells me that this is the step. I have found some useful articles in the help center. Kindly did you read them? Once we open these links, these are links that will assist you know about your account limitation or the issue that you are talking about. We can see them here. They are talking about it, but we see here that the PayPal assistant is still alive. So once it asks us that way, we are supposed to say, no, I need more help. So once you tell them more help, we are still going to how to live chat PayPal support. It tells me I can transfer this conversation to an agent. Our reply may take few hours. Because why they say it will take few hours, it is because I'm not talking within the PayPal support working hours. Operational working hours, we said hours of operation are from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Central Time in United Kingdom. So what I will do, I will come here and I'll continue. I will say that would you like to send this conversation to a customer support agent? Yes. So once we say that we'll be able to send it to our customer agent, it tells us send us a detailed message, and if you know the transaction ID, the date, the amount, please include those. An agent will write back to you during the business working hours. So we will leave the message. Once we leave the message here, ensure you do not click the end message. Once you don't click the end message, PayPal support will come and respond to you in a few hours. But in case I was operating under the business working hours, Monday to Friday 8 a.m., I'm telling you, PayPal will be able to respond to you. You will get somebody from PayPal responding to you on live. So we'll be able to leave the query. We'll leave the query as we left it here. It is telling me that send a message. Once we leave the query, do not click the end message. Once you leave it that way, just do not log out in your PayPal account and they'll be able to respond to you. Thank you. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. how to live chat PayPal support. Thank you.